there, little friend. Welcome to Doobie Doo Studios, the happiest place for fun, learning, and lots of giggles. Today, we're going on a super cool adventure to meet some awesome farm animals. Are you ready? Let's go! This is Cow. Cow gives us yummy milk to drink. We can make cheese and butter too. This is Horse. Horses help on the farm by pulling carts and riding. We can ride on their backs and have so much fun. This is Pig. Pigs help by making the soil rich and healthy with a fertilizer. Plus, they love to roll in the mud. This is Sheep. Sheep give us soft wool to make cozy clothes like sweaters and scarves. This is Dog. Dogs are the farm's best friends. They guard the farm and protect everyone. They are loyal and loving. This is Cat. Cats are great hunters. They catch mice and keep the farm safe from little pests. This is Rabbit. Rabbits are cute and cuddly. They are kept for their soft fur and can be our fluffy pets. This is Hen. Hens lay yummy eggs for us to eat. We get scrambled eggs, omelets, and more. Cluck, cluck. Wow, wasn't that so much fun? We met all our amazing animal friends and learned how they help us every day on the farm. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another fun adventure with us at Doobie Doo Studios. We'll see you next time, little explorers. Bye bye.